What's up, guys, and welcome back to Nick's All American TV. Today we are finally getting on the road for our big road trip. We're going to go help our buddy Mike out, so you guys are going to have to make sure to stay tuned and watch Wrenching with a Vet, because that's what we're doing. Well, we got the tires, we got the oil, we got the coolant, we did all the repairs. What y'all say we hit the road and let's see what old Kathy will do. What's up, guys? I'm Kathy. I'm here at the pumps. We're getting some fuel and getting ready to get our big road trip underway. But first, we've got an emergency repair that we got to make before we hit the road and we get ready for this big, huge 400-mile road trip. What's up, guys? As you guys can see, old Tucker Tire and Lube here. They're taking pretty good care of us here. Kathy's getting her new shoes put on. That's what we're doing here this morning. We're gonna leave here, we're gonna get the dogs, and then we're gonna hit the road. But we had to get some new shoes put on Kathy before we got going. All right, guys, let's go see what old Kathy has in store for us. Right now we're running at a 1.0 Lambda. We're running at about 50 pounds of oil pressure. Got 3/4 of a tank of fuel. Everything looks right. Let's put some miles down. Sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting. Hurry up and wait. What's up, guys? Just giving you guys a midday update on the road trip here. We got the 2 puppy dogs in the back. They're doing just fine, looking around and stuff. We are sitting here at the pump getting fuel. So you guys be easy with it. Enjoy the rest of the ride to Mike's house. Well, what is up, my all-American family? Welcome to Oklahoma City. Kathy did it. She made it. No problems. She ran just fine. Been a trip. Been a long time, but she ran pretty good. I'll give you guys a shot of the new tires and let you guys see the payoff. We did okay. We didn't really have any issues or anything. Did have one. I guess nothing else on Kathy could break, so she decided that she was going to break her washer fluid reservoir. So if you want to consider that a breakdown, then we had that breakdown. But other than that, she ran perfectly.